Hey y'all, it's JB, and as many of you know, once a month I have a few of my Patreon patrons select a few triggers to incorporate into a trigger assortment video. This video was actually supposed to come out last month, but I've been a little bit behind. Anyway, the requests for this video were Reiki or energy pulling, an eye exam, and colored light therapy. And without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video. So today you're here for a relaxing Reiki light therapy session. What I need to do first is do a careful eye examination, and that just allows me to make sure that your eyes are going to be receptive to the colored light therapy. So I'll begin by putting on some medical gloves, doing a simple eye exam. Then we'll move on to the colored light therapy. We'll be working with blue, green, and red today. Once we're done with that, I'm going to go in and do some energy pulling, just to pull out any negative energy, okay? So, let's start by putting on these gloves. I will be touching your face at the beginning of the exam, if that's okay. I'm going to be gently touching, palpating the area around your eyes to begin with. So, if I may, I'm just going to touch, gently but firmly. Touch. Good. Along the top. Touch. Wonderful. Okay. Now what I'm going to be doing is just gently holding open your eye. Okay. Relax as I'm doing it as best you can. And then when I ask you to, I just want you to go ahead and close your eye so I can check the resistance and gauge the muscle tone that you have in your eye there, okay? So, pressing my fingers against your eye, I'm going to hold your eye open. Go ahead and close your eye. Good. Other side, reaching in and touching. Holding your eye open. Good. Squeeze your eye shut. Perfect. Alright. Now, I'm going to be using this simple white light, on this pen light, to examine your eyes. I'm going to be looking at the way your pupils respond to the light, how they dilate and contract. So to begin with, please look at my nose as best you can. Try not to blink. I'm going to bring the light in very close to your left eye. Good. And out. In. And out. In. And out. In. And out. Perfect. Blink if you need to. Once again, looking right here. I'm going to bring it into your right eye. Close. And far away. Bringing it in close. And away. Close. And far away. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting the light in your eye again, but I'm I'm going to be giving you some very easy to follow directions. So, I'm going to bring the light in close, and I'd like you to look up, look down, look left, look right. Good. Other side. Look up, look down, look left, look right. Beautiful. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this blue pencil and I'm going to be moving it around. And what I'd like you to do is look at that pencil. I'm going to be bringing it close, far away, side to side, and just follow it with your gaze as best you can. Okay? So, following the pencil. Good. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Good. Good. All right. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Good, good, good. Beautiful. So, your eyes are looking great. I'm going to go ahead and take these off now. I'm going to begin with the colored light therapy. First, we'll be starting with the blue light. What I'm going to be doing is shining it in your eye. I'd like you to look at the light, and I'm going to ask you to repeat certain thoughts silently in your mind. I'm going to be watching for the way your pupils respond and for the way your aura responds as well, okay? So you'll just be looking at the light. You can blink if you need to. I may be moving it around a little, and just think the thoughts that I say to you silently in your head. Okay, so I'm bringing up the blue light. There we go. Now think to yourself, I am calm. Good. I am safe. Good. Think to yourself, I feel good. Beautiful. Okay. Now I want you to imagine the sound of the ocean. It can be a turbulent ocean with crashing waves, or a gentle ocean where the waves are just gently lapping on the shore. It's up to you. But I want you to imagine the sound of the ocean. I want you to feel damp ocean breeze on your skin. Smell the salt air. Imagine the color of the wave. Your aura is responding beautifully. Now we're going to move on to the green light. Here we go. Now, looking at the light, following the light, think, I am strong. Good. I am safe. I feel grounded and stable. Beautiful. My roots stretch deep into the earth. Good. Now, think, I adapt and endure. I adapt and endure. Great. You're doing a wonderful job. Now, I want you to imagine a forest. It could be a lush rainforest, a forest of pines in the mountains, a forest of oaks, elms, whatever you'd like. I want you to see the trees packed tightly together. The sun shining down through the branches. I want you to smell the earth. That the forest is planted in. Listen for the sounds of the forest. Birds, animals, wind moving through the greenery. What does it smell like? What does it sound like? If you take a deep breath through your mouth, is there any taste to the breeze? Good. Wow. You have a very special aura. I'm enjoying working with it. Finally, I'll be treating you with the red light. Then we'll move on to the next stage. So, looking at the red light, I want you to think, I am warm. I feel warm. I am brave. deep within myself. I have courage when I most need it. I have passion for things I care about, and I'm not afraid to let that shine. Good. Now, I want you to imagine a fire in a fireplace. It could be a small, dwindling fire that's been going all night, or a robust, roaring fire. It's up to you. I want you to smell the scent of the burning wood. I want you to hear the crackling flame. Take a deep breath in. What do you smell? Does the air have a taste? Feel the warmth of the fire radiating against your skin. Good. Perfect. We're ready to move on. Right. Now that I've awoken and illuminated your energy, with your permission, I will be reaching in and pulling out any energy that isn't serving you right now. Keep in mind, it's not always a painful or dangerous thing to be having bad energy or negative energy in you. It's just energy that doesn't belong there. Like if you realized you had a sock on your head, most of you would probably remove the sock, right? Okay. So it's just something that's not supposed to be there. I'm gonna reach in, pull it out, and it's gonna help you relax, be calm, and healed. And don't worry, if there's anything that is in there that's not serving you right now. Maybe it's the worry of something coming up, the worry about something in the past. Anything like that that you might need again at some point, you can get it back. It's not a problem. It's not gone forever if you don't want it to be. It's your choice. Okay, but we're just going to let those things go for now so you can relax and enjoy the full benefits of the healing. Remember, you've committed to this time to relax, so you might as well give it your all and enjoy, okay? So I'm going to reach in and pull, pull. There we go. You don't need that right now. Reach in and pull, 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 pull. Definitely want to get this up here. I'm going to reach in and pull, pull, up here, pull. There we go. Take a deep breath. Just let it go. Some right here. Pull. Down by your throat. I'm gonna You don't need that right now. You should be able to feel your whole body relax. You should feel your muscles beginning to melt, soften, relax. Just a few more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.